Hey everyone, okay, so this is a double video. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know if I can do that. I might be able to do that. This may be a double video. So I filmed another video and I'm going to include it in this one if I can, because then it just saves time. So I just got this and I bought it. It's called Magic Star Highlighter and this is it. And it is the new Charlotte Tilbury, and this is for the holiday, so it's limited edition, which I think is a real shame because this is a great product. So let's firstly discuss the fact that there's 10 grams of product in here. You're getting a lot of product for your money. It's going to last you a long time. This can be used on your face, your eyes. It's a good product. So here it is. This is what it looks like. It is a hybrid of Bar of Gold, but in a much better format. Now, this has a really creamy texture to it, and a small amount gives you a lot of payoff, as you can see. Now, this is a gold color, so this is going to suit most skin tones, apart from those with really, really light skin. You may find this is just a little bit harsh on really pale skin, but light to medium and deeper skin tones, you're going to love this. And what I know, I've mentioned it like a gazillion times. Look at that. Look how pigmented that is. And if you could feel this, it feels like air going on the skin. It is so incredibly finely milled. I would imagine it started its life as a liquid rather than a powder. I'm almost certain of that. Illuminated, a high pigment highlighter for a soft focus glow. As you all know, I really like to include highlighter in everything. So what I mean by that is, if you're going to apply it to your cheek, I like to use it as a lid highlighter, an inner corner, brow bone. It just pulls everything together. Everything looks like it belongs to the face, rather than having, you've got a gold highlighter here and a pink eyeshadow, shimmery eyeshadow here and a different one there. I like everything to kind of move together and just be a part of the same face, if that makes sense. But it's just great. 10 grams of product, beautiful. Incredibly pigmented and easily air-like blending to it as well. Just incredible. If you are very, very pale skin, you could just use a touch of it, so it's going to last you an eternity. Or you could use it also as your eyeshadow as well, for anything that you want to stand out and bring forward. Remember, anything you highlight stands out. So that's why we oftentimes, the way I like to think about eyes, because sometimes I will say to somebody this, oh, I really want my eyes to stand out. That's wonderful. So all I want you to do is apply a shimmery eyeshadow to any part of visible eyelid. So any part of the eyelid that's visible, apply a shimmery eyeshadow. Then apply black into the lash line and mascara. That will make your eyes stand out incredibly well. You don't have to do anything fancy with your eye makeup in order to have your eyes be the focus. And you could use this absolutely. It's just incredible. There you go. So hopefully I'm going to find a way of adding the other video to this. So you're going to hear, hey everyone, twice in this video, or thrice, as I just said. But I may, see you next time. Bye-bye. So there is 2 videos, because what happened is I deleted the other one. I just went to check and it's gone, forever gone. So I'm just going to add it in here. So since we're on the Charlotte Tilbury roll, this is the luxury palette of pops. Again, it's limited edition. This is part of the holiday collection. And it looks a little something like this. Now, unlike the palette of pops for the Pillow Talk, which was all that celestial shades, these are slightly different shades. And I just got this deja vu that I filmed this, but I can't have. I don't know if I have. No, I haven't. I have filmed it. Oh, whatever. So all celestial shades need to be applied with a finger because they're just so emollient. So I'm going to apply this. Now you get the same amount of grams in product as you do in all the other palettes. My head is very shiny. This is probably not a good idea. I should have powdered it. This is this shade here, and it is the loveliest shade. It has this pink pearlescence to it. It is absolutely gorgeous. So next up, this is a shade that I really like to use a lot because it just transforms eyeshadows into this glimmering gorgeousness of deliciousness. Then we've got this really dark shade here, and this is great for just if you want to do a smoky eye, but you want there to be this kind of sparkle to it, but this is the least celestial shade of the lot. And finally, you've got a true gold, and this is almost kind of like a sun gold. It's got a touch of orange to it, and it is just beautiful. You know, when I mentioned about the Charlotte Tilbury, so I ordered 3 of them. I bought 3 of them, and when it came, because PR just, you know, they don't love me. They don't love me, and I don't know why, because I love them. And I bought 5 of these because when I got it, I was so impressed with it that I was just like, I have to buy these because I don't want them to run out, because they are so, you can just do a completely matte eyeshadow look and then just wing one of these over the lid. Or as I really like to do it, and is to get a concealer. Let me show you. So one like Laura Mercier, like the Secret Camouflage, and just draw a line from midpoint all the way down, a straight line like that, gorge. And then what I would do is I would take one of the highlighters over the eyeshadow and I would dab it over that, and you get this incredible kind of laser beam of light running through your eyeshadow, and it gives the illusion of a rounder upper eyelid, a bigger upper eyelid here. It's very cool, but you know, there you go. I've said enough and I am going now. So see you next time. Bye bye.